Chalo, start. The first question, 1, 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Start working fast.
I'm done.
Ma'am, it is.
It is.
It is a quadratic equation.
It is. Who said that? It is. What is the form of the quadratic equation? Gauri, can you give me the full equation?
It's x square plus 7 is equal to 0.
It is x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Perfect. Who are these two entering? Amman and Nandita. Okay, fine. Going ahead to the next one. Do the third one. Do the third one. Question number 1, third one. The questions that are left would go as homework, okay? Don't give me a chorus answers, please. Nobody will give me a chorus answer. Pius will answer me. Pius?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not a quadratic equation, and the equation is minus 3x plus 1 equals 0.
Perfect. Or 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Perfect.
Yes.
So it is not a quadratic equation. Perfectly said. Okay with it? Done, all of you? Kanika? Done?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done.
Chalo, perfect. See, you don't have to mute and unmute yourself. Just use that icon at the bottom and you can show me a thumbs up. That's it. Okay. Next, go ahead with the fifth one. Is Edwin there with us today? Edwin, are you there?
I have a connectivity issue right
Fine.
now.
No problem.
Ma'am, your screen is blur.
Edwin, you give me the answer for this question. Question number 1, fifth part.
Ma'am, I'm just doing it.
Do it and then give me the answer.
I'm done.
Just a minute.
Ma'am,
I'm done.
Fine. Edwin, I'm waiting for your answer. Is it quadratic or not? Ryan, are you done? Are you doing? Have you done the previous one? Third one?
Yeah.
Perfect. So move ahead. Why are you going so slow? Pick it up. Vaibhavi, tell me.
Ma'am, it is a quadratic equation.
The fifth one, I'm still doing it. I just started with it.
Vanshika?
Ma'am, I'm still working on it.
So much time. Grade 10. What are you doing?
Ma'am, it is a quadratic equation.
It is a quadratic equation.
Fine. Edwin said?
Quadratic equation.
Give me the equation, Edwin.
Ma'am, it is x square minus 11x plus 8.
Perfectly done. Perfectly done. Okay. Let's take up the seventh one now. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x bracket x square minus 1. Seeing that cube term, please don't come down to any conclusion. Don't have any conclusions.
I'm done.
1 minute. Mute yourself. Jaipreet done?
Ma'am,
Huh?
your screen is blurred.
No, you are having a problem, Aniket. Please. You log off and then again move in.
Okay.
Jaipreet, yes, is it quadratic or not?
No, ma'am.
It's not. What is the equation you're getting?
X cube minus 14x minus 6x square minus 8 is equal to 0.
Perfect. It's x cube minus 14x minus 6x square minus 8 is equal to 0. Perfect. Wind it up.
The answer is not written in the standard form.
It is not written in the standard form. Yeah, it is a polynomial, but it's not. It should be have written as x cube minus 6x square
6x
minus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. Perfectly said. Very well said. Fine. Next, we'll be moving on to main question number 2, the first part. Let me see how you deal with problem sums. Chalo. Read the question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. Slowly try to understand what is not known. We need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. As you can see, the length is depending on the breadth. Can you see that? Length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So let me make breadth the hero of the question. So let breadth be x. If breadth is x, then what is length? 1 plus twice of x. Aditya, right? So, and then multiply both because length into breadth is equal to 528. Chalo, give me the equation. Daniel, do it. Give me the equation. Go slow, not an issue.
Ma'am, done.
Give me your name. Who is it?
Done, ma'am.
I'm Gauri.
Gauri. Okay, wait. Let the others also.
I'm done.
Shubhangi, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubhangi, give me the, what is the equation that you have?
Equation is 2x square plus x minus 528
8
is
is
equal to 0.
perfect. That's the equation. Perfectly said. Now they are asking us to find the length and the breadth also. Chalo, find the value of x.
You have to split the middle term, right?
Now, yes, there is no other way other than splitting the middle term. There is no other way. So how do you do that? 528, find the factors of 528. No, not only 528. 528.
Ma'am, it's 1056.
Yes, 1056. 528 into 2. Do you remember, children, middle term factorization? I have to show you. Huh?
No,
Now,
need.
should we solve it? Because the question says we have to just form the equation.
That's true. That's true. The question says just represent the following situations.
Yeah,
Fine
ma'am.
with
You'd
that.
have to like
You don't have to
find
do
the
it.
value.
Actually, you don't have to do it like that. But can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall you do it? So basically, you have to find the factors of how much you said?
1056.
1056.
1056.
Chalo, do it.
Ma'am, it's 2 time taken.
So just leave it there.
Yes, ma'am. We have to
Yeah.
prime factorize and then
You
have
have
to
to
find
find.
the
And then
numbers.
ma'am, find 2 factors which differ by 2 and also
Differ by 1.
by 1.
Differ by
Ma'am,
1.
Differ by
Differ
1
by 1.
and
They
then
multiply to
like
get
multiply,
1056.
they'll give you
Yes.
1056.
So 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 8. Next, you sit and watch. Then 2,
Oh, okay. I'll do it.
2, 6, 4. Then 2, 1, 3, 2. Then 2, 6, 1. Now 6, 1 is divisible by what?
Now it should be 66.
Ma'am, it's 66.
Sorry.
66.
Yeah.
And the factors will be minus 33x and plus 32x.
See, look at that.
I'm saving time for you.
No, that's great. That's awesome. Perfect. So here we stop. Okay. So here we go to 3, 11, and 11. Now let's keep on checking. How do we get a difference of 1 but multiple of 1056? Chalo. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. This first whole thing gives me 32, and 3 and 11 gives me 33. And we know that 32 into minus 32 into positive 33 is nothing but how much? Minus 1056. Right, Prerna? Okay. And then the difference, that is 33 minus 32 is positive 1. Over. I got my answer. So what will be then how will you find the values? Give me the values of x now.
X, I think is 16.
I don't think, do. So it is 2x square plus 33x minus 32x. Samad, okay. Minus 528 is equal to 0. Somebody solve it. I don't have space here.
I got X as 16. And
breadth is 16.
oh yeah, breadth is 16, length is 33.
Length is 33.
Perfect. Twice of this. Perfect. So length is twice of 16 plus 1. That is, how much you said? Sorry, 33.
33.
Perfect. Put in the values. Meters. Meters. Done. Okay, Ishan, have you got up?
Yeah, ma'am. No, when I was finding the zeros of the.
Okay. Gauri helped us out also. And see, this is how we do. There is no other shortcut for that. Maria, Sia, Ashwin, Soham, Nishan, Mansi. Mansi is having a problem, okay? Apurva.
Low bandwidth right now.
All low bandwidth. Chalo, I am also having low bandwidth. I'll move out. Huh? How can we work like this, Soham? How can we work like this? Chalo, put your videos on fast. Now others will go to third part. Question number 2, the third part. 2, the second part goes home. Take up to the third part. Sudesh is not there for me here now today. Can somebody else take up the task of alerting me, please?
And the third part is not sure.
Who's that I? Jay.
Pranav.
Chalo, tell me. Don't throw me before time.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, do the.
And the third part is not shown.
I'll show you. Yeah, sure. Start. This is age. Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. The product of their ages is 3 years. The product of their age in years, 3 years from now will be 360. What do you like to find? How will you like to find Rohan's present age? Chalo, start. First of all, think who is the dependent one and who is independent. We have seen that Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So that means let Rohan be X. And mother becomes 26 plus X. And start. Same question could have been done by X and Y also. Okay. Linear equation you would have gone. Ashwin, put your video on. Mansi? Mansi?
Ma'am, she said she has a
My microphone doesn't work.
Acha, haan, she said. Now, how can she talk to me then? Chalo, do this faster. Aniket, I have got your projects.
Done.
Aniket, speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Soham has sent me your project and I have got it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Darshal,
Yeah.
Darshal also please do the same. Send it to me through somebody.
Ma'am, I'll send it through Soham by today.
Achha, as it is. Soham or anybody, not an issue.
Okay.
Are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0.
Okay, fine. So you got x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Right with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, solve this. Give me the value of x.
Yeah.
Give me the value of x.
Should I tell the answer?
Ma'am, x is. Can I?
Now, how did you do the middle term? Can you tell that to me first? How did you get 32? X square?
X square. Ma'am, x square plus 39x minus 7x.
Yes, ma'am. 39 minus 7.
Okay.
Yeah, 39.
Fine with that. This is what I required. So what is the value of x?
Ma'am, 7.
Ma'am, he's 7 years
Tell
old.
me.
Ma'am, and the mother is 30.
Tell me.
There is 39.
Hello, children. Wait a minute. Somebody is talking from the back. Yes, tell me.
I'm getting a different equation.
Who is this? Can you name yourself? Charvi, this is the equation, dear. There cannot be any other equation. That means your multiplication, you have gone wrong somewhere. Check. Okay, yes. So what are the values of x?
39 and 7.
7 and 39.
7 and minus 39. So minus 39 cannot be.
So minus 39 we cannot accept.
So 7 is the answer.
Yes. I'll put it as this. 7 comma minus 39. You have to write both. Okay. And then you have to say that Rohan's age is 7. Then what is mom's age?
33.
33. 26 minus
33.
7. That is 33 plus. Yes.
We don't have to find his mother's.
No, I am making you do it. Okay. I'm making you do it. Manasvi, can I have a look at you because I could see your video on for a fraction of a second. Manasvi, this is becoming tedious for me. Can you just put your video down a bit, the camera, or you can raise your head up so that I can see you properly. Not able to understand whether you people are understanding or not. Can you show me a thumbs up icon if you are following, Manasvi? Is she showing me anything? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She is. I'm not able to view that. Chalo, good then. Fine. Chalo, let's move ahead. Now you already know one of the methods, which is this middle term factorization. Now going ahead, we have solving quadratic equations by square root property also. Okay. Now what does that mean? That means that if you have something that b is a real number, wherein a square is nothing but equal to b, then we can easily say that a takes up the value of plus or minus root b. Remember that it will be plus or minus. Don't land up giving only one value. Okay. So if you solve this, x square is equal to minus 4. What do we get? There is no real solution because the square root of minus 4 is not a real number. Okay with that? So we can use square root property also to find the root of certain equations. Do this, all of you. Do this. Solve the first one. 3x minus 17 whole square is equal to 28. Do this. These are not in the textbook, okay? So 3x minus 17 whole square is equal to 17. Do it. Akash, are you done? Can you answer? Soham, video on. Tanushri, video on. Rishabh, I didn't speak to you the whole day today.
I got the value for x.
Nah, very bad condition, huh? Rishabh, are you following us?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
watching a movie?
No, ma'am, I'm doing this.
Ma'am, I found the value for x.
Chup raho. Wait, let somebody else answer. Okay. Chalo, give me the answer for this, Rishabh. Give me the answer for the first one.
I'm still doing. I'll give it.
Still working. Srushti, what happened? Went for lunch? Good. Maria also. Went for dinner or what? Only Jaypreet could go. What about the others?
Ma'am, even I did it.
Ha, Samarth can answer. Chalo, Samarth.
Even
Answer.
I did.
Who's that?
Moria.
Okay, chalo, answer. What's the answer for this one? Samarth. The
I
first
got
one.
2 root 7 plus. Ma'am, I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
Jaypreet, give me the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, I didn't do, ma'am. I'm still doing.
Who said done? Pranav?
It was Aniket, I guess.
No, ma'am, that was Samarth only.
I heard Samarth only. I know. He did wrong.
Actually made a mistake.
Okay. Fine. Chal. I myself have no. This is not done. This is the equation for this one. Chalo, look up at the screen. Look up at the screen, all of you.
Ma'am,
So
should we find the decimal value?
No. Leave it at square roots because in CBSE it's allowed. Fine. CBSE it's allowed. So basically, here goes the answer for this one. So you have 3x minus 17 whole square is equal to 28. So you have 3x minus 17 as plus minus root 28.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
I'm in the starting. I got this only.
Good. And then how to write 28 can be written as 4 multiplied by 7. So plus minus 2 root 7. Tanusha, did you understand this? Okay. Now we have got 3x minus 17 as equal to plus minus 2 root 7. So 3x is equal to this. So x is equal to this. Leave it here only. Need not solve at all further. Okay. If asked or given, they have given you the value of root 7, then do it. Fine. Okay. Now.
Should we write it separately, like 17 plus 2 root 7 by 3 and 17?
You can do it or you can leave it like that also. Not an issue at all. That's perfect.
Okay, ma'am.
We can accept that. Okay. Now this was your question number 1, example 1, and this was your answer for example 1. I have copied, pasted it here and there. Okay. Now look here. This solving. Y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4. Here is the answer for this one. This is your second. Please tell me about the timing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 3 more minutes.
So here is your answer for the second question. Can you see? Y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4. So from here we can say that y minus 3 is equal to plus minus 2 and so on and so forth. So here you get the values of y as 1 or 5. Aniket, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. And now do the third one.
Which one is the third?
See, I marked. X plus 2 is equal to 25. This last one.
I'm done.
Done?
I'm done.
But the answer of x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 7. Okay with that? Maria, are you doing with me? Maria, Charvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Charvi?
ma'am.
Check that. Everybody understood? Nishan, where are you? Nishan, Sunidhi. It's very bad to talk to dark screens, you know. I don't know why you people don't understand. Harsha, all switched off. All switched off. How much time left? We'll stop here for today.